morning, class 3 students. Welcome back to your English class. Open at page number 68, chapter 13, Rest and Medicine. In the previous class, we have read a story about Ravi. Ravi was suffering. His mother sat beside him and called a doctor for his treatment. And the doctor came and consoled her that he will get well soon. Okay, and he should need proper rest and medicine for his treatment. So now in this class we will solve the question answers. Here is the question. I have written the answer on the board. You have to write the answer in your copybook along with the question. So your first question is, what was Ravi suffering from? I have not written the question, just we will discuss the answer only. So write down the question in your copybook. So what was Ravi suffering from? So this question means, what was Ravi's illness? Ravi was suffering from cough and fever. So first answer is, Ravi was suffering from cough and fever. This is the first question and its answer. Your second question is, what did Ravi's mother do? What did Ravi's mother do? Ravi's mother sat beside him and called for a doctor. Okay, so Ravi's mother sat beside him and called for a doctor. See, question number C. What did the doctor say to Ravi's mother? The doctor said to Ravi's mother that Ravi would get well soon. He needed rest and medicine. Okay. So the doctor said to Ravi's mother that Ravi would get well soon. He needed rest and medicine. Question number 4. What did Ravi ask the doctor? Ravi asked the doctor if he would get well soon. So Ravi asked the doctor if he would get well soon. Okay, here are the 4 questions and 4 answers I have written. You will get it through your worksheet. So write down in your copybook. Next, fill in the blanks. Okay, now I will discuss this answer. Dash, listen to me. Please listen to me. You have to fill in the blanks with polite words. Means please, thank you, sorry. Okay. So please listen to me. I am sorry for the delay. Dash for your help. Thanks for your help. Dash for being late. Sorry for being late. I don't want to miss my lessons. Okay. Next, true, false. Ravi's mother was ill. Was ill Ravi or Ravi's mother? So Ravi was ill, but here the question is, Ravi's mother was ill. So the statement false. The doctor came to Ravi's house. Yes, it's true, because Ravi's mother called for a doctor and the doctor came. So yes, it's true. The doctor touched Ravi's body. Yes, it's true. The doctor touched and measured the temperature and take the temperature by thermometer. The doctor did not give any medicine. False. The doctor gave Ravi medicine. Rest cannot cure a disease. False. Rest cure a disease. Pick the correct word. Ravi was a farmer, teacher, student. So Ravi was a student. I don't want to miss my lessons, school or book. Miss my lessons. Here the answer is lessons. Find out 4 prepositions from the chapter and use them in sentences of your own. Look, here I have written 4 prepositions from your book. So look at the paragraph 67. Ravi is a student. He is a student of class 2. So your first preposition of. What we can say? I am a student of class 3. We already in class 3. So I am a student of class 3. Next question. Next preposition. We will find out 2. দেখো 2 আছে তারপরে তাহলে আমরা কি বলতে পারি? I am going to school. I am going to school. Then next preposition আছে in. In, the key is in the lock. We all know in means inside anything or within the space or within the area. But the key is in the lock. And beside, he sat beside me. Beside, he sat beside me. Again, here is another preposition for, you can say for. The book is for the child, for the book is for children. বাচ্চাদের যে কমিক্স বই থাকে বলতেই পারি I need a pen for writing. Preposition হলো আচ্ছা rhyming words you get it through your worksheet one from. ওকে এরকম ভাবে পেয়ে যাবে। ওকে তোমাদের ওয়ার্কশিট ফলো করবে এগুলোর জন্য। নেক্সট রাইট 3 sentences to visit a hospital, follow your worksheet and fill in the blanks আছে called courtesy words or please, so please listen to me. I am sorry for the delay, thanks for your help, sorry for being late. And draw a picture of the first aid box, do it yourself. Okay, you have to draw a picture of the first aid box and write 6 first aid objects. I have written it in your worksheet কি কি থাকে first aid box এ, scissors, bandage. Okay, so আমি লিখে দিয়েছি, got fish. Okay, so that's all for the day. Have a nice day. Bye.